There is the night blooming Cereus, and it's around 9:30, and I knew it was going to be opening today. Earlier it was getting really puffed up, and I'll be looking at it probably in another 15-20 minutes, taking a peek, and I'll show you the different stages as it opens up. It's about a half an hour more. I've just turned it so I can get a better shot. It's hanging over the hot tub, actually. That's the side view. As it's opening. Just beautiful. Now this has not opened completely yet. That is just beautiful. So the yellow parts are the little tiny filaments, I believe that's what they're called, on top of some stigmas, I think. I wonder if this is, yeah, I don't know if it's both male and female reproduction parts. That is just amazing. I just spun the plant around and I found two more that were blossoming. Right here and here, which is so exciting. I didn't even see any of these blooms earlier. The plant's quite large, and this was facing the back. You can see it's kind of a tangle right here. And so the bloom was hiding behind. And then here's the other one that was hanging over the hot tub. It ended up getting moved into this area. Here, let's see if I can, I don't want to damage it too much by moving it. Let's see. It's quite the little jungle back here. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. It wants to spin sideways. Come on. I'm bumping it a little bit. There. So beautiful. Hanging right over the hot tub. It's just so amazing. And I don't remember my mom's blooming this beautiful. Here's the plant. And I'm going to have to stake it up better tomorrow. When I moved it to get a better picture, it kind of flopped over. And now it's so close to the water. Tomorrow I'm going to stake it up in the daytime. But right now, I'll show you what it looks like blooming. Just amazing. And it's huge. But inside it's so fascinating. Now my whole patio in this area smells amazing. And I think it's a combination of this, and then I have what's a jessamine flower, a night blooming jessamine. And it's not a night blooming jasmine. It's in the same family, but it's a little bit different. Look at this. This is amazing. I don't want to drop it. I'm using an iPad. We're really close to the water. I don't know if you can see the reflection. I don't think you can. Oh, I can see a little bit. In the pool. It's so close to the... Let's see. Now, I had forgotten about it, and so right now, I'll show you the back side. I think it's about 12:30. I think I hear some owls.
Yeah.
It does have a light scent, kind of soap smell, and a tad of a peppery smell as well. I don't know if that's just me or not. That sounds like a frog. I'll see if I can get some pictures of the jessamine. And that is the night blooming jessamine. And it's not the jasmine. Let's see if I can get close. It's got really tiny little flowers, but has a real strong scent. My whole yard smells of this incredible kind of jasmine-y clean soap smell. I think I even see a little moth right there on this. Yeah, right there. This is quite high up. It's over my head. Let's see if I can find one that's closer. It's just so beautiful. Let's see if I can get up into it. a pretty big plant. And this is the first of the blooms. Now, I had a really small baby one, but it did fall off when I was moving the plant earlier today. Oh. I want to see if I can get close and smell. Let's see if it has a strong scent. This is just so stunning. I want to show you the side view. It's just amazing. Here's my hand. And then inside is just incredible. Here's the flowers in the morning. They do close up. And this is 8 the next morning, so they do close quickly. And there's the third one over there, and that's the one that was actually hanging up over the hot tub last night. But I spun the plant around because for some reason it started flopping, and I think the support broke. I'll show you how big this is. It goes all the way up. Now, I've had this plant for years, and for about a year and a half, I had just had the pot kind of placed in the bushes while the pool was being built. And that's when it was pretty small and it was neglected. And I didn't do anything to it for that time period. And I think I just got a cutting from one of my sisters. I'm not sure how I even got the plant. And I just put it in the dirt and did nothing to it for years. And so it was only a few little branches maybe when the pool was being built. So then it was just placed in the bushes, and I didn't even water it. It's in the shade. So this takes little care. And then once I planted it up into the pot that it's in now, I don't know if you can see it here. It was with nice potting soil, and that's when it seemed to take off and do really well. And I had it in here for about well, the pool's been built for 2 years. So it's been in this pot for 2 years, and then I just started fertilizing it. And as soon as I started fertilizing it, say within 2 months, I now have blooms. So that's the story of this night blooming Cereus. And it can take a lot of neglect. It's in the cactus family, I believe. I just wanted to share with you how I cared for it, or how you can neglect them. I don't think it likes too much water. I let it dry out quite a bit in between. But that's the care I give it in Central Florida. And it's a zone 9 here. And it seems to do well. And seems to do well in a pot. And seems to do well with a little neglect. So it's a good type of a houseplant, I guess. Because sometimes we forget to water things. But there's my night blooming Cereus, and I hope you enjoy your Cereus and get to experience these amazing blooms.